Hi, my name is May from Good Story Chinese Translation. Today I would like to share with you how to insert screenshot into Word so that you can carry out translation. My preferred format is usually like this. I'll have my certification statement put on top, and I will have in the table below, I'll have the numbers of this for the screenshot, and then that's the Chinese source screenshot, and that's the English translation. The reason I would like to put them side by side with each other is that first of all, it's easy for me to do the translation and the checking. And secondly, nowadays a lot of court cases are being run by solicitors who are fluent in both Chinese and English, and therefore they can always refer it back to the Chinese original if there is any doubt about the translation. And the other advantage of doing so is sometimes you may have photos, and if you have photos like that, then you can just put the word photoed so that your conversation will still be in context, and the reader would be able to read through your translation in context by simply look at the photos on the left. And the other thing I tend to do is if say there is a speech between two people, the person who the screenshots are downloaded from usually would have their message in green, so I'll usually highlight those that speaker's message and put it green to make it even easier for the readers to follow the story. Now I'm just going to quickly show you. Say if I delete this one, and so what you do is if you're provided with the screenshots, they're usually in a JPEG or a picture format, then you can go insert picture from this device, and then you just browse to the folder they are in. And then, so that's 1.1. If when they send you those screenshots, usually they tend to be in a series of numbers. So if you find it difficult to follow the chronology of the screenshot, what I do is when I receive the screenshots, I number them according to chronological order first, or I can insert them into the table first, and then once the chronological order is clear to me, then I can move them around so that they followed in the order of the earliest to the latest screenshots, in order for the readers to understand the story. And so that is for screenshot. What if you are not provided with a screenshot, but rather you are provided with a screenshot instead of with text? They are with audio file messages. So this is what we'll do. And so for example, I have a video recording of the person scrolling down a
刘文科的
they play the 3-minute message. So in this case, I will need to grab the screenshot myself. So how do I do that? Obviously, what I can do, or the usual approach, one of the approach is to print screen. So once I press the button print screen on my laptop, I have that screen, and then I just open up the Paint, and I paste my computer screen onto this onto Paint, and then I use select rectangle selection, and then I can select the screenshot itself. Once I selected it, I crop it, so you can see that now I have this screen. And so this is what I would use later on if say I created another table, or I would another table, and then I can insert this photo there. And so because now it's in Paint, I will save it first so I know where to find it. So I go screenshot, audio screen 1, saved. So now when I come back here, now I can do the same, insert this screenshot, so that's the one I have pasted and cropped in Paint. So I insert it, so now I have it. And then what I would do is I will do the same here. I'll play that file, the audio file.
Power in someone is cut.
And then I can type out the audio here. And then I'll position it at the same level as this file, so that people will know that this transcription is actually for this voice message. And then obviously the next one, I'll have the date of 27 January 2021, and then I'll have the picture, and so on and so forth. So because this audio is spoken by, say, the person who owned the phone, so therefore I would make them green. And when you're doing creating the screenshot yourself, it's important that you make sure that they overlap to a certain extent, so that the court and will be able to have confidence that they are a flow of conversation and nothing has been cut out. So if say here the date, if here the date at the end of my screen is 27th of January 2021, and then the time is 53 in the afternoon, then my next screen should ideally start from here, from this message with the time code, and so that we know that it is a continuous flow of conversation. So when I'm doing my second screenshot, I'll let it play a little bit more. And that's where I probably should stop. And if I do a or even a little bit back, so now I got the perfect location, I got the time code. So if I do another print screen now, and I open up my paint, so that is my next screenshot. So I'll do the same. I select rectangular selection, and then I do crop. So as you can see here, if I enlarge it, so it start from the end of the last screenshot. So that's all today for today, and I hope that you have learned something new, how to create a translation with screenshots that has audio messages and text messages. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to look at other presentations we have on the website. Our website is www.chinesetranslationmelbourne.com.au. Again, my name is May from Good Story Chinese Translation. Thank you for listening.